Hi there, still struggling with PCOS in 2026? Then you have stumbled on the right channel. Please watch this video to the end to see the results of easy eating with PCOS. So if you're struggling with PCOS cravings or weight loss and you don't have the hours to spend cooking every day, then this easy high protein meal prep is for you. So today I am going to show you how to make this simple salmon quinoa meal prep using fresh ingredients, like healthy ingredients that help keep you full, support hormone balance, and make healthy eating so much easier during busy weeks. This is the best part of this video. It's delicious, high in protein, packed with fiber, and requires very little cooking. So stay to the end of this video because I'll be showing you this creamy low-calorie sauce that makes this meal taste absolutely amazing. So here are the ingredients you need for this particular recipe. You need some salmon, some quinoa, some fresh tomatoes, some fresh cucumber, and some red cabbage, and some onion as well, and also the ingredients for the sauce if you will be needing a sauce, because definitely this meal prep would need a sauce because eating vegetables like that is not that tasty, and we want to make our meal prep very tasty and more fun and easy to lose weight while maintaining the very main ingredients of our food and getting the nutritional value of the food we eat without starving ourselves all day. And this is the secret for reversing PCOS. From a girl who has reversed PCOS fat loss, this is just one of my secrets of meal prepping and making life much easier without starving myself and without counting calories. So if you're done and you're tired of counting calories and you're tired of weight loss and you've given up many times and gained all the weight back, then definitely, bestie, you're on the right channel. So stay with me to the end of this video to discover the secrets of maintaining or reversing PCOS naturally and also balancing your hormones without stressing out so much. And this meal prep is very easy and easy for anyone who is very busy. Just putting this salmon in the oven, cooking the quinoa, and you are done. Chop the fresh ingredients and your meal prep is ready. High in protein, very rich, and good hormone friendly for the body. So we have chopped the salmon, season that with seasoning of choice. You can season with your own seasoning of choice, and then set that in the oven to be cooking on low heat. While that is in the oven, I wash my quinoa and then put that on the fire and then added some salt and some all-purpose seasoning just to sweeten that and make it more nutritionally appetizing, and let that to cook on low heat while we move to the prepping of the vegetables. So I started by chopping the red cabbage. I chopped the red cabbage into this diced quantity. Red cabbage is packed with fiber, loaded with antioxidants and vitamins that support gut health and digestion. It's high in fiber content and helps improve fullness, supports healthy blood sugar levels, and promote better digestive health. So the antioxidants in red cabbage may also help reduce inflammation in the body. And salmon is the best source of high quality protein, omega-3 fatty acids. Proteins help keep you full for longer periods, support muscle maintenance, and during your weight loss, and also during this weight loss, and helps reduce unhealthy snacking. The omega-3 fats in salmon may help in reducing inflammation, support hormone health, improve insulin skin sensitivity and promote healthier skin and hair, which is especially beneficial for people dealing with PCOS. So cucumber is very hydrating and low in calories, make it excellent for weight loss meal prep. It adds freshness and crunch to meals while helping support hydration, digestion, and fullness. And then onion contains antioxidants and natural compounds that may help support heart health, reduce inflammation, and improve gut health. They also add amazing flavor to healthy meals without adding heavy sauces or excessive calories. Then fresh tomatoes, on the other hand, are rich in antioxidants like lycopene and vitamin C, which helps fight inflammation, support immune health. They are low in calories, hydrating, and great for adding freshness and flavor to healthy meals while supporting weight loss goals. They will also have quinoa. Quinoa is high in fiber, protein-rich carbohydrate that provides long-lasting energy without causing major blood sugar spikes. It's naturally gluten-free and contains important nutrients like magnesium, iron, zinc, and support metabolism, energy production, and hormone balance. The fiber in quinoa also helps improve digestion and keeps you satisfied for a longer period. So for the sauce, I'm just using simple Greek yogurt, low in fat with 0.3% of fat, and then added some mayonnaise for extra thickness and flavor. And this Greek yogurt is high in protein and helps create a creamy sauce while keeping the meal lighter and healthier. It also contains probiotics that support gut health and digestion. Protein-rich sauces like this can help increase fullness and make healthy meals more satisfying. So what I did with the sauce was just to mix Greek yogurt with mayonnaise and some lime, a touch of lime, and then added some salt, black pepper, and all-purpose seasoning for this extra seasoning for it to give the sweetness, the sour sweetness, and also the richness for the sauce that is suitable for a meal like this. You know, fish is best eaten with some lime or lemon. So it brings out that good flavor, that tastiness from the fish recipe. So that is why I added this lime into this recipe. But it actually made the sauce very creamy, very good, and sour taste, savory. That is very, very delicious for this particular meal. So now we have aligned everything, and this is how our meal prep looks like. Very easy. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button, like, comment down below if you'll be trying this recipe, and let me know what you think in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and hope you subscribe, like, and share to as many people as possible, and see you in my next video. Ciao, ciao. Have a beautiful week.